My name is Rikita Allen. I'm a part of the Ramp team, and I've been with the company since 2021. On a typical day on the ramp, honestly, you can just expect everything. The duties of a ramp agent would be bringing in the plane, marshaling the plane, offloading, uploading. Once the plane comes in, you offload the bags. The person that takes the bags to the carousel brings the bags from the bag room, and you unload them to the plane. Personally, I feel like this job is very exciting. Like watching the planes take off and land, I can watch it all day. So that's like the most exciting part for me at the job. I like the teamwork, so I like my supervisors. I like how, everybody come together, we help each other. I started as a cleaner. I went from a cleaner to a ramp agent to now being a POA, so there's definitely opportunity in moving up. I like working for Unifi because it's a family. They make you feel like you're a part of a family and we all work together. So, we all work hard together. It's exciting. I just love working for Unifi. We're all part of a team, and Unifi begins with you.